It's so good. Just the naan alone with the curry, man.
I could wake up at night to eat this aloo paratha.
Like a midnight snack, aloo paratha.
So much, so good.
Namaskar, guys, from Mexico City. I'm in one of the trendiest neighborhoods in the city right here. It's called La Condesa, and it is a food lover's dream. There are foods here from all around the world. Of course, Mexican food, you have Italian, you have Venezuelan food here, you have Argentinian food here, and you also have a Bengali restaurant here. Let's cross the street and I'll show you. Let me not get hit by this guy. And well, Sophie is already waiting for me in the restaurant. I had to run back home and grab something. All right, coast is clear, let's do it. Right here, guys, curry and kebab. This is the place right here. Bangladesh and Indian food. Sophinator is waiting, so you got a table for us already.
Here, I'm waiting for you. I'm really hungry.
You're very hungry. Alrighty,
Yeah.
let's have a look real quick here. This caught my attention. Check it out. They have the menu right out here, so I'm gonna have to translate stuff. So these are the meats, rice dishes, mutton biryani, baby. Oh man, that's what I live for. You got the breads here, the naan basically. Pan, this means bread in Spanish. Here's some of their specialties here. And check it out, you see pictures of some of the foods. Here's the vegetarian options, the fish options, chicken. Oh man, they have soups, appetizers. All right, and if you're looking at these prices and you're thinking that it's like what, $115? No, these are Mexican pesos. So this right here will be about $6. Basically 20 Mexican pesos equal $1 USD.
We're not. It's just, I don't know how to tell you. Like,
Sophinator has something to say to you guys, but now she's not saying it anymore.
No, I was just saying that they're playing a Bollywood movie inside, like singing, so like gives you the atmosphere already. So.
Your shirt gives me the atmosphere of India.
It looks like curry.
It looks like, yeah, it looks like some curry powder. So check it out, guys. Right now with the COVID, you can scan your menu here, and I'm gonna go inside and have a look. I'll be right back. All right.
The menu.
Namaskar, dada.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, perdóneme, hermano. Ok, so, ¿tú eres el dueño de aquí?
Sí.
Hay que ver, un placer conocerlo. Y este acá es su restaurante, ¿no?
Sí, restaurante Bangladesh y a la India.
A la India, ok. Los dos sabores los mezclas
Sí.
acá. Perfecto, bueno, vamos a ver aquí adentro.
Manejamos 3 países comida, Bangladesh, a la India y Pakistán.
Y Pakistán, sí.
3 países platillos.
Bueno, si nos regresamos hace más de que 50 o 70 años, era todo un país.
Ese es un país.
Todos eran un país hasta que el partition vino y pam, ahí se separaron. Ok, so las comidas tienen
Mismo
sabores.
sabor.
Okay.
Mismo sabor.
Perfecto, bueno, aquí está. Tienes Bollywood music,
Bollywood music.
la decoración bien bonita. Check it out, guys. This is the decorations here. Oh man, look at their bar.
Más adelante también tiene.
Check out the bar, guys. A lot of tequila. Mucha tequila acá. Sí. Mexicans love tequila, so that's what they drink here. Okay, very nice. Oh, you got some spice mixes there. Oh, vamos a ver esto. Let's have a look. All right, beautiful decorations here. ¿Y también vendes los elefantes?
Sí, también.
Okay, guys, so these are for sale. You can see the price. This is in pesos. Don't think it's 2,500. No, it's 2,500 Mexican pesos. All right, guys, check it out. We're behind the scenes here with the chef. He's the owner, and this is one of your workers. ¿También eres tú de Bengali? ¿Eres Bengali?
Bengali.
Okay. ¿Y hablas Bengali también?
Sí.
Sí, ok. Yo hablo un poquito, pero de Bengali de Calcuta. Como Namaskar, dada y cosas así. Ahí está llego, pues. Pero bueno, aquí estamos preparando...
Tandoori chicken.
Ok. ¿Y aquí?
Es de chicken biryani.
Oh, ok, para el chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani es de matón kurma con almendra.
Mutton kurma, ok. Perfecto. Oye, hablas español bien, hermano.
Sí,
Sí.
hablo yo vivo aquí 21 años.
21 años, ok.
De chef. Trabajando.
Okay. Aquí mismo. Ah, bueno, qué bien. ¿Y tú también o...?
Ya apenas 2 años.
2 años, aquí en México. Oh, ok, so, recién llegado más o menos. Está bien, pero hablas bien español.
Sí, es de Kashmiri, tú se puede tomar, es de Kashmiri rice.
Kashmiri rice. Okay.
What do we have here? Some lassi?
We have some lassis here to start off, guys. Check it out.
Mango, this one is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It
Mango
smells good.
dishes. Smells good?
That's a real lassi. That's so creamy. And it's really good. And
This
that's
is
like,
the classic right here.
oh yeah, this is mango. That's really
This
thick.
is the
again.
classic. I really like it, guys. Have a look at this. Check it out. All the little spices or whatever they added on top. You get a kick in there.
I can feel the pieces of mango inside. So you have the piece of fruit. It's really nice.
I was back there in the kitchen and they peel mangoes there.
Oh
like
yeah,
it's-
no, definitely.
it's legit.
Like, it's not like water.
Try this one though. This one is also
Let's
tasty.
try the classic one.
I'll go for the mango. I love a mango lassi.
Oh, that's really good too. Yeah, of course. Like this is the fruit version. It's really good, but yeah, no, just simple is good.
Yeah,
too.
this
What is
is
on
good.
the top that gives this taste?
I'm not sure what it is, but it really gives it a earthy taste, and I like it. It doesn't last too long. It lasts about 3, maybe 5 seconds, and then the lassi taste take over. Pretty much, I think it's curd in there that gives it that yogurty taste. I like it.
Cardamom.
I don't know.
And you know what? I'm gonna shit a bit. I'm gonna check on the menu. I think it's written.
¿Qué tenemos aquí?
Tandoori chicken.
Tandoori chicken. Muchísimas gracias. Check it out, guys. The tandoori chicken is sizzling.
Arroz con vegetales.
Vegetable rice there, guys.
Kashmiri rice.
Kashmiri rice.
That's from korma con almendras.
Oh, this looks very good. Se ve muy bueno.
Naan.
Y el naan. Ok, parecen tortillitas mexicanas más o menos.
Exactamente. Que tenga buen provecho.
Muchas gracias.
Ah,
Aloo paratha. Hecha por el chef de acá.
muchas gracias.
Muchísimas gracias, guys. This is the aloo paratha here. Chicken korma, no, mutton korma with almonds, Kashmiri rice, a vegetable rice, and some naan.
El tandoori chicken.
And the tandoori chicken. Yes.
El de lassi cardamomo y mango lassi.
Also, it's cardamomo. Okay.
Right.
You got it. All right. Sophie is a beast, man. Leave it for the French, you know. That's why they're rating all the restaurants for Michelin stars.
Knew it.
Y esto encima, ¿qué es lo que le ponen?
Cardamomo.
Cardamom. Oh, that's the cardamom. Okay. Buenísimo. Todo se ve increíble. Muchas gracias. Check it out, guys. We're about to go in. You guys already know I don't really need this, except maybe the napkin later. Well, all the food is here. We're going in.
Alright, I'm gonna start with the Kashmiri nice rice. Kashmiri
Good
rice.
one. Good one.
Sorry.
I'll try some of that as well.
The only thing I tried is the Kashmiri naan, and I never tried the Kashmiri rice right here.
It looks interesting though.
Look at that.
It's full of nuts in there. You have some almonds, some, what is that,
Dried
walnuts,
fruits.
dried fruits. Looks delicious.
Some raisin too. I can't wait to try this. Do you want ice cream?
Yeah, yes, please.
Here we go, my love.
I don't pass up on anything.
And I have this aloo paratha that I'm gonna try with it right here. This aloo paratha is so good. It's crispy, oily, the way we like it. Just a little bit spicy just to be like Indian good, but it's just amazing.
No, gracias, hermano.
You didn't see what we're eating? This is so good.
I gotta try one.
I love aloo paratha.
Basically, the paratha is like one of the Indian breads, and the aloo is the potato.
Potato. I'm gonna try with the rice. That's good rice.
This is great, guys.
I don't know. Paratha is good.
Exactly like Sophie said. It's crispy, it's hot and fresh, and it's tasty. It's the most important part. It is tasty.
The rice is so good. I love having the cashew, the raisin, and all this dry food. Really flavorful.
Oh yeah, let me show them.
Yeah. Very good.
So check it out, guys. There's dry fruits there. You got some nuts in there. Let's try it. I'm gonna eat this the traditional way.
I'll keep my fork for now. It's good, huh? There's walnuts too.
It's very sweet.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Like the Kashmiri naan. It's very sweet.
This surprised me so much. This is the sweetest rice I've ever had in my life, but it is delicious.
I agree.
It's those raisins and the dried fruits that are giving it that sweet
That's
taste.
what it is.
Man.
That with the aloo paratha is just fire.
Oh my god.
So good. Fingers licking good.
Finger licking. Good, like the French say. C'est très 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 bon.
Très 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 très.
And You know what, guys? I'm going for this tandoori chicken now. Let's do it.
It's the color of a crab leg. It's not crab. It's tandoori chicken.
Time to try that vegetable rice.
It looks like there's broccoli, corn, and some carrots.
Yep.
I don't know if I'm missing on something. No, I think that's it. Let's see the difference. Probably less sweet then. Let's see. I'm gonna serve myself some rice with vegetable instead. Do you want some?
I'll have some. I'll give it a try. Oh, there's cauliflower there too. I want the piece of cauliflower.
Oh, it's a yellow one because with the rice yellow, it becomes yellow.
It's been spiced up, guys.
Yeah, probably.
Have a look at it.
I'm gonna try it without the aloo paratha and afterwards. That's good. Yeah, no.
Yep.
That's
good.
That's more
It's a
bland.
vegetable rice.
Yeah, it's not spicy or nothing, so it's more for me.
Yeah, it's not sweet. It's not spicy at all. It's just nice vegetable rice to go along with your food there.
I'm sure if I eat it with the aloo paratha, like this aloo paratha, just a kick, probably the cilantro or something, so it gives it a really nice taste. So I'm gonna go for my second slice of aloo paratha.
Sulfonator and bread.
Oh, yeah.
You know what, guys? It's time to go in for what looks like one of the best things here is this mutton korma with these sliced almonds on top. It looks simply phenomenal. Let's get some more curry, man. Gonna get a piece of naan and go for this mutton korma. Get a big piece right here. Get this naan all curried up. Have a look at that right there, guys. A curried up piece of naan with some mutton.
Looks really juicy. It's good.
That is good. That is delicious. That is spicy and just a little bit hot. I love it. And the mutton is extremely tender, guys. It just dissolved in my mouth. Literally.
Just so you know, like, it's not like not sharing with me is food, so it's not selfish. It's just I don't want to eat the meat for now.
Sophie's on the vegetarian side.
Yeah, I'm more on the vegan side, so vegetarian. So don't think it's selfish. Otherwise, we will share. Because I show that I'm sharing all my food. Is not sharing anything, so it can look like a bit.
Don't
of
touch my meats.
You have your side, I have my veggie side. You have your meat side.
Oh man, it's so good. Just the naan alone with the curry, man.
I could wake up at night to eat this aloo paratha.
Like a midnight snack, aloo paratha.
So much, so good.
Man, no, it is really good. All jokes aside, it's a delicious
I'm
aloo
getting
paratha.
more of my Kashmiri rice, so good. Oh no.
I love that little hotness. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 2. But there's enough hotness there that, man, I like it. I mean, this is Mexico, you know. Mexicans eat everything hot.
You want I rate my aloo paratha? On a scale of 1 to 10, I think it's like a 9.5 or almost 10. Because I think really it's the best one I ever had. I don't always take that, I always take the naan, but for the one I've tried, like honestly, this is the best one I ever tried.
Like that?
Yeah. Kashmiri rice, I'll put it like a 9. I really love that too.
Look,
Yeah,
I'm gonna agree with you. The Kashmiri rice, it's a 9.
very good.
It could potentially be a 9.5. It is. It is really, really good. I highly recommend it.
It's flavorful, it's sweet, it's good.
It's great. Those aloo paratas, I'm gonna give them a 8.5 and 8.5. They're really good as well.
I'll give a bit more.
I'll give my mutton korma, I'll give it an 8.5 as well. I love the little hotness in there. That's what has me going. The tandoori chicken, I'm gonna give this tandoori chicken I'll give it a 7.5. You know what? I noticed here though, they put some onions and lime on the side. So I'm gonna try with that.
Yeah, you didn't try that.
Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let me finish this mutton korma first.
This lassi is so refreshing after, like, it's not hot, but just a little bit of spiciness. A good lassi. So good.
I'm really digging this cardamom lassi. It really
I
surprised
like
me.
both. I really like both, but I don't know. I think eating the Kashmiri rice that is sweet, and with the mango even sweeter. So I'm having like a sweet dinner.
You know what, guys? For all you guys that are wondering if Indian food is too hot or something, if you can handle it, it really isn't. But if it's ever hot, I highly recommend you get a lassi with it, and it literally cools off the whole thing. The point is pretty much calcium takes away a lot of spice. Milk does that because it's full of calcium. So this has some curd in there or yogurt, and it pretty much acts the same way as a base. I could just the sauce on its own for this mutton korma with these sliced almonds there, man. That is just great stuff right here. Great stuff. All this curry from this korma is going on my plate. All of it.
With the naan.
With the naan. And whatever I can't get with the silverware,
Grab it with his finger.
just like that.
I'm gonna try something else. I have just this small piece of aloo paratha left. I'm already sad about it. I'm gonna try to do like a sandwich like you always do. I'll see if it works.
Alright, Sophie's going in.
Alright, so wait to eat with my finger without really like getting dirty. That's good.
Yeah?
Bah oui.
Bah oui, hein?
Bah oui. Delicious. And that's for more aloo paratha.
I'm just gonna drench my naan all up in this curry. Look at that. I'm adding a creation here, guys. So I got this vegetable rice here. I added the rest of my curry from the mutton korma. So I'm gonna blend this all in there, and I'm gonna add some pieces of chicken. So it's like an express table biryani because it was created right here on the table. Yeah.
You're doing the Indian chef.
Yeah. So you know what? Just gonna mix this all up in there.
Maybe they're gonna add that at in the menu after your new
We'll
creation.
see. We'll see. There it is. Bam. Very nice. But I know it's gonna taste better like this. Make my little mountain. Check it out. You see it? That's Mount Volpe right there.
How does it taste? As good as it looks?
Delicious. Delicious. This rice has been curried up and brought to life.
It was dead, but now it's alive.
Now it's alive with flavor.
Thank you, Chef Volpe.
Check out the bathroom, guys. Time to wash that hand. Hermano, muchísimas gracias por la comida.
No,
increíble.
Ay, qué
Ese
bueno.
Kashmiri rice y el mutton korma, delicioso.
Qué bueno, hermano.
Muchísimas gracias, hermano.
Gracias, no, de
Que tengan un buen día.
Igualmente.
Goodbye, delicious Indian food. We're gonna wrap up this video, guys. Any words, Sophinator?
Potatoes, aloo. It
Yep.
was like aloo paratha will be the word of this video. I just loved it.
They were
Like-
delicious.
Yeah, I had it twice. You didn't see the second time, but I had it twice.
We were another round. It was just very
Yeah.
tasty. She liked it.
I almost ate everything.
And the Kashmiri rice.
Yeah.
We're both struggling with this word right
yeah,
now.
like why we say nice because it's a nice rice, probably.
It rhymes. Say it twice. Throw some spice. All right. Yeah, the Kashmiri rice was definitely a surprise. I loved it. That was delicious. Next time I see that on a menu, I'm gonna order it because it was delicious, and I want to try different ones, you know, just to see like any differences.
Usually we don't see it on the menu. That's the first time I see it.
Yeah. So that was a surprise. The mutton korma was nice. I like the hotness that he put on there. He told me he threw some chilies on there, so I'm like, yo, I like
Indian
that.
style.
I enjoyed it. And the tandoori chicken was delicious as well. I have nothing else to say, guys. This is a very nice restaurant. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Is everybody riding a motorcycle right now? I don't know. But the link will be in the description, so do go check it out. It's right here in the food hub of Mexico City, where all the international restaurants are. Well, at least the majority of them. Anyway, that's it. I'm talking too much, guys. Hope you like this video. Hope you're hungry. Go and grab some food, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Hasta la vista. Hasta luego from Mexico City.
I don't want to fall.